All right, here we are at the Unknown Mechanics, and we are putting in some plumbing for a sink in the kitchen. The guys are using a 2-bag cement mixer. Here is all the cement concrete that we're going to be putting in. And
It's going to make a riveting YouTube video.
it will. And this is the new bathroom here. Okay, I guess maybe I'm a little heavy for that. So this is going to be a utility closet here under the stairs. The water heater is going to go here. Those are the lines for it. And this was unused space before, so he came up with a real good idea to make it usable. Okay? And so then we have, this is going to be a little bathroom here, half bath, so the throne goes there and a sink will go over here. So we are good to go. And then there will be another bathroom over here, and there's going to be a shower and a sink, and there's a toilet down here too.
I need more water.
More water? Okay. And there you see the floor is finished. We got our cement poured, smoothed out. There's the toilet flange. The sink is going to be over here. See the hole there? There's the closet under the stairs for the water heater. So this is working out very nicely. There's electric for the water heater and lighting. And there's still some stuff that has to be wired in for the bathroom here. But yeah, this is pretty nice. Pretty nice. Then this here's another patch that we made here in the concrete. Had to fill that in, and then down through this tube is a valve at the bottom of that. So everything is looking real nice. Okay.
I'd like to get me one of them C7 Corvettes. You know, I never had a Corvette.